Woo, all right, guys. We are back. We are back. We are back. Yes. Okay. If you got a stock, throw it up in there. We're going to go over stuff real quick. Let me just throw out a tweet or two here and we'll get to it. Um, copy. Okay, let's throw out a tweet for it. Ooh, I like that sound. Okay, so let's go over what we got here. Make sure y'all can see it here. There we go. We got her now up and running. I had to go take care of something, guys, so I'm sorry for the late start. But look at that, son. It is squeezing. We are going. We are knocking that bitch home, son. If you was in this morning, you know, we hit this one up and a few others. Especially if you was in Discord, you got to see a couple more trades that we was talking about. Guys, I'm also looking at, I picked up a couple, but I'm going to pick up a couple more too. Some calls on D-Nut. Okay, so I've made good money on this right now, so I'm selling half of my shares. As soon as I figure out what it's doing. But there. What are you doing, dude? Alright, so what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the boys come for you? Yeah, I'm jacked, man. I seen my P&L on the way home. Hell yeah. I'm happy. Okay, I sold half right there. Now let's see what it does on into the rest of the day. And let's see if we can find any other trades. I also got Palantir calls that are, they're up, but not much. I got Clove calls. That's the same. They're up, but not by much. I got some Ford stuff. We also have, let me see another account here. Um, Looking at it. Give me just a second, guys. We got some lucid calls that's close to breaking even. And I've got a GoPro call that ends at the end of this. Ends at the end of this week. Look at it go now, guys. Look, right there it goes. That's the reason I only sold half. I locked in a little bit of profit, and now the rest is, you know, I could take it all the way down to zero if I wanted to and still have profit. You know what I'm saying? We're good to go from here on out on that one. All right, let's do a rundown of real quick what we was looking at this morning, and then we'll go see if what else is going on right now. MMAT, no, not Matt. That's Mattel, I know. MMAT. MMAT's looking good. Look for it to either continue climbing barely up like this into tomorrow. MMAT, I didn't really expect it to shoot up today. I think they're going to try to hold this out until about middle of the week. The shorts are until they really can't no more. And then once some start covering, you're going to see a cascade thing. AMC doing good. It's done the same thing. I expect the same thing out of AMC. Now let's go down it. This now here is still looking good. Rockets when we picked up. WPG, it was doing good, but now that's broke below this 50. I just don't see it doing too much more. Apron, this is one that I was looking at swinging for about a week. I think it looks good, but when I got to looking at it, I was like, you know what? Calls look much better on this one. We'll go over calls here in a minute. We want to see if we can find some day trades first real quick. GEVO, this is one to watch for it to pop off. I'm going to put these two near the top. Klein is another one we want to watch to see if it pops. Sundial, we want to put it up there. Let's take a look at Sundial real quick. Yeah, see, it's popped again. When we was looking earlier, it's consolidating out here. And now we've got it bounced off that 50-day EMA line. It even come back and retested, which is good. You can see it got rejected by this resistance, come back, tested the EMA line again, and now it's going to try to retest that resistance. If it pops up above that, good things could happen for Sundial. GoPro, I don't expect this one to go crazy. I think it's just going to keep climbing. What else we got here? Clove. Did we mention Clove already? Clove is one that I'm really looking for at the end of the day. Let's put that one up there too. VXRT, I'm looking for, might do something. MViz, I'm looking for it to do something today or tomorrow. I don't know. If that one pops off again, I'll be surprised. HUT, maybe. FTFT is another one I'm looking at to maybe do something. Okay, so let's start off looking at what's on top right now. We've started in the power hour, so we want to look at these. Works is going to come back and retest that, so it's a good thing. I sold half of it and got a good profit. If it breaks that blue line, I'll sell the rest. If not, unless it goes well into the fives, I might hold until tomorrow. Yes, I want to watch this one too. Add to watch list. I'm just trying to create us a watch list really quick. I want to find high volume stuff. Put that one back on top. You know what? Maybe on that one. Damn it. There we go. Alright, let me check FinViz real quick. Oh, I need to turn on the squawk box too here. That came in real handy this morning, guys. We're going to have to figure out a way to get that. Okay. Alright, so we got the squawk box up and running. So if anything comes across it. Well, okay, so it's saying I've already got one open on it. Let's take it down here. There we go. Now we're connected. Let's look at FinViz, see if it's offering the same stuff. IMPL. Let's take a look at it. IMPL. Nope, not really. Alright, so while we're... Move out my way, man. Okay, so let's run down them real quick again, see what's popping. Looks like this UNCY, looks like it might want to do something, so we need to keep an eye on this. Any, I really thought any would do something today, but it's not. FT, oh, let me check out BTBT. No, it's not doing anything. Invis is not doing anything. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. Hey guys, sorry about that. I've got a renter. Well, right here in this land that that I own. Um, we put I've got my house and we put some trailers on it. It's quite a bit of land, and we rent those out here. And one of them's a sweet old lady. She's about 90 some years old, and she all the time comes over and asks me to help her out with things. So sorry about that. That was her. So let's get back to it here. Let's make some money. Um, VXRT. Right now it's VXRT. Somebody said naked's flagging, so let's take a look at it. So we got naked. Yeah, it's got a little flag coming out here. It's consolidating out this support right here. So yeah, we'll put this on here and watch it and see what it does. If it starts bouncing, we'll take a look at it. Alright, so let's go down. This one right here is UNCY. This is one of them I'm watching right now. Next one is ANY. It's not doing nothing yet. CRTX, which this one would be more of a little bit, probably hold for a day or two than a day trade. FTFT. The other one was BTBT.
AMC, Alpha Michael Charlie. AMC shares getting a pop to the highs. 34.70. That's Alpha Michael
Yes.
Charlie.
So what you heard there, that's the squawk box. Look at AMC popping right now. Guys, if you're not in AMC, this was a killer dip trade, and it still is. I look for it to probably go back at least to the 40s before it dips again, and I'm really hoping it hits the mid to high 50s. But yeah, you can see it almost, this is not really a cup and handle, this is more of a big U, little U situation. You can see it right here. This is a 4-hour chart. Yeah, that squawk box, man, that's the shit right there. That's the way to go. BTCM, somebody said is popping. Let's check it out. BTCM. Yeah, I can see where that was a minute ago. I can see where they seen this pop out. Yeah. That was a 50-cent bump right there. That's pretty good. And look, it's going to continue. Let's see what this right here does for a second. Can't find the AMC we was looking at. AMC. Take it off. Oh, Disney had a nice little run there. Wonder if that was after earnings, or if they had earnings yet. If that's leading up to earnings, that's probably really good. You know, if I had some money to put in it right now and I wasn't playing other things, I would get some Disney. I think it's going to pop in earnings tomorrow. What are the options like on AMC right now? Wonder if a person could get in and out real quick. Let me see what I have available here. I got enough to buy about 4 shares. The way to do it would be get just out of the money here. What do the ones look like if we want to play it safer for the 20th? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. What is the theta and delta on this one? The 19,001. The theta is up there, but now this would be a good. I believe I'm going to pick up an AMC call. I believe I'm going to just play 4 of them. I'm going to play 2 at, I'm going to play 2 that ends this Friday for right at 36. No, right at 37. And then I'm going to do another 2 for the 20th with the 40 strike. Right, that's the 19, yes. That's it right there. I believe that's the way to go. Let's wait and see if we can catch it taking a breather right here. I like that. I like that play right there. Let me switch y'all over here to the 4 chart so we can watch 4 of them at once here. So I want to put, I've got AMC down here. Let's put it on the 3-minute chart. That's not a 3-minute chart. Yeah, okay, I see it now. What in the hell is going on? There we go. We got MMAT over here we can watch. Barnett like that. We can keep Clove up here and we can switch between this and up here. What is popping off right now? Okay, well I've got that up here for y'all right now. I'll put sundial right here for right now. I'm going to go back here and look at these AMC calls. See, right now would be the time to get them. It's dropped just a bit. What are the ones for this Friday? Well, the price just popped on these. Even in that drop, it just popped. Wow. Okay. Alright. I'm going to run through these again, look at the tops and everything, and see if anything's changed. TEDU. Let me show y'all this one. Wait, hold on. Let me do it like that. TEDU. T education. Look at that. That looks really good on the 15. Let's see what the... Yeah, see how it popped up? This one could do something the last 30 minutes. I like that. I'm going to keep my eye for it to bounce right at this 15 or the green 50 day. Yeah. So guys, I'm out of works. Yep, I'm out. This is what I'm talking about. I had a plan. I said that I was going to get out if it dropped below this line. If not, I'd carry it. It got out. I'm not going to second guess myself. I'm just going to get out. If it pops back up tomorrow, I'll play it. WPG. I really thought this one would do more the way it was acting this morning. Oh, I like this. Now this could do something. Yeah, let's see. Do I have that one on the knot? No. So we put it on our watch list. I like that one if it bounces here. Let's watch it here 1 second, see what it does. My damn GoPro is up. My GoPro calls are up 285%. God. 285%. That is crazy. And my lucid is down. I'm down about, I'm down about $14 a call right now. But that's okay. We expected to hold this one for a week or two. Well, about a week. So that one's okay. I'm not worried about that one right now. But that's the only one I have that's down. Come on, man. What are you going to do? Let's look at the 1 minute and see if it's giving us any. Yeah, it might pop here. See how these candles, they got the long wicks on them? That means that buying pressure pushed it back up and it's slowing down. Now, if we get a green candle here, that could mean a turn for bullishness. Right there. What's it going to do? Right there we go. Look. Huh? Yeah. Come on now. Come on, get up here and I'll buy 500 of you. Now see how this has got the block on the candle on the bottom and then it's got a long wick? That is a tombstone or gravestone candle. Or you could, if it's red, then you could call it a falling star candle. If it's the other way, it'd be shooting star. Like this one up here. But either way, I usually call them gravestone or tombstone.
ARBP, Cormac Biopharma granted European patent.
Did it say ARBP? ARBT? ARBP? I don't know what it said.
Nanoparticle-based vaccine targeting cancer, testis antigens, and its juice in solid and hematological malignancies. That's Kilo Romeo Bravo Papa, KRBP.
So KRBP. Oh, wow. Yeah. Let me tell Discord about this one. So he's saying RSI. Says trust everyone. Buy RSI. Bullshit. Yeah, I trust you. No, you don't just trust because somebody says it. You gotta have a reason. Probably just pumping it. You know what? I'll trust you enough to put it on a watch list. That's it. KRBP. Put that on a watch list too. What am I on? This is a 3 minute chart here. Wow, that's a lot of volume. Wow. compared to what's here, that's a lot of volume. I mean, it's not a lot of volume, but for this stock, it is. Is anything moving in the tops? It looks like tops moving. Let's do the rundown again. EDU. No. Alright, yeah, this one right here is popping. This one's looking good. Yeah, this one right here is looking good. I may actually get into this one. I like the way it's formed. I just wish I had a little bit more oomph to it here. I'm gonna watch this one. If we start getting a boom boom candle here, I'm in it. Do I got it on this watch list? Yeah. So we'll come back to it. Let's look and see what else is going. Ooh, what's here? No.
Market on close in balance, 170 million on the sell side.
Let me check FinViz and see if it's got the same stuff. IMPL. Didn't we check that a second ago? IMPL. Oh. Alright, so let's go down our watch list one more time. Guys, stick around for afterwards or a recap, and I'll go over some swings I'm looking at. I mean, that could do something if it would just go, but it's not going. It's like everything fucking hit a wall right at the end of the day. Look, it's coming back. It's retesting this. What was resistance is now support. It tested. If it bounces here, that's very bullish for AMC. If it bounces there, I'm getting calls for tomorrow. I ain't bought them calls yet. I waited for the bounce here. No, wait. I did get... I got the further out calls. I didn't get the ones for this Friday. I didn't get those calls. Not showing nothing yet. Let's go on down. That one fell back under $1. It's moving down. What's the MMAT doing? Consolidating out. It's moving down. Then acts like it wants to pop off again. What does the options look like on that one? They're cheap, and they've got okay volume for the stock. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and look at this one while we're waiting on things to settle in. D-Nut, Krispy Kreme. Now, you can see I was waiting to see which way it broke out, and it's broke out to the upside. So this is now at a buy. The only question is what do I want? Do I want options or shares? I'm going to play this to about $20, about right around this orange line. So I'll probably sell at this red one, the 1984. So we want to come down just a little bit low, so we'll sell at 1960. Um, so I think what I'll do with this is I'll buy just a small amount of shares, like 10 or 20, and then we'll buy some calls on it too. And we'll say on the shares we're looking for a profit of $4 a share, at least $3.50 a share, and we'll risk down to four. What is that? 489. That'll be our stop loss. So that's what I'm going to do with this stock here. Options in it. If we go to the 20th, there's some good calls for the 17.5 and the 12 strike. Or the 20, I mean. If we got to the 17th, there's a real good one for the 17.5 and then only an okay one for the 20. So really the money's being bet on the 20th date. And I can see why right. No, I don't actually on the 17th. On the 20, it's not so great neither. 17th is actually better as far as money goes. But I'm sure the 20 will change once it starts getting up. See, I like this 20 down here on the 17th better. As far as the data and theta and delta, I mean. Yeah, I like this one a lot better, this 20 on the 17th of September. Alright, let's go back to our four charts here. Guys, remember, if you find value in what I'm doing here, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share with your friends, okay? Oh, look at Clove. What's Clove want to do? I've got calls on Clove. So this could be good for me right now. I need to check out GoPro too. It's dipping. AMC looks like it's bouncing. And the MMAT's bouncing. Man, it just got dead, didn't it? I mean, there's like nothing moving. Here might be one or two new ones. Let's check them out real quick. Nope. This one's moving again a little bit. I bet you that's going to go bullish into the after hours. This TEDU, TEDU, I bet you that's going to shoot up in the after hours. I mean, the volume has been 37 million, and the float is 37. Huh. You know, it's only $2. I'll take a chance on that. If that is still bullish near the end of the day, or if it takes off before then, I'm going to buy that and hold that overnight. Man, I don't want this to be some sucky-ass waiting game. Come on. Guys, I'm still think that the Palantir is good calls. a good chance for stock or yeah to buy shares or calls. I think that it's going to go close back up to 27, that area, if not even higher. Um, but that's at least where I'm expecting it to go back to. Um, what else was there? Sophie, I'm pretty sure Sophie was one that we were still looking at too. Yeah, I'm very bullish on Sophie. Options on that look really good too. Good volume. Um, if we go out to the 20th, what is the chart say to right in there? So we're looking at 20 to about 22 if it goes about 3/4 of the way up. So if we come out here and go to the 20 mark, yeah, for the 20th, we're looking at calls for $29. That's pretty good. And look, didn't even check out the volume yet. 53 on volume for that. I'm going to pick up some of these Sophie calls. Give me just a second, please. Because look at this chart. It's swinging back up. It's coming up at the 200. People's going to see that. It's actually found support on it. So I'm getting Sophie calls for the 20th at the $20 strike. See, it's already went up $30 just since we've been talking about it. Sophie, the 20th. And, okay, so I'm actually going to split it up. I'm going to get a couple on the 20th. So let's go ahead and grab that one. And then let's get a couple. So I got 4 on the 20th. I want to play one close here at 17.5. Okay, so when we bought 3 more at 17.5, I'm feeling good about that one. We got a double bottom here. A W for the win. It has tested support and it's bouncing. Yeah, I'm feeling good about this one overall. I like this one. So let's see. AMC. Think about selling some puts on AMC. I just don't know if I have. Yeah, I just ain't got almost 4,000 to hold until then. And I don't think they'll let me do a naked put, sell it. Um, Yeah, yeah, I'm good. Um, what are we looking at? SGC, nope. Alright, here's one. OSCR. Let me come up here and show y'all what is not doing so hot right now. OSCR. Look at that one, had a nice little bump from 1520 to about 1560 almost. Looking a little bit bullish. What's the 4 hour look like? Overall down. Wow, that's a big downtrend. Huh. Yeah, that would only be good for a swing play or a day trade. Got 15 minutes to find something. And I believe it's going to be dead going into the day. Is there any stocks y'all want me to look at? You know? Uh, KRBP. Oh, that's the one we called out there a minute ago that come across the think XCLA will turn around. Let's see. XCLA. Today, no, I don't. Overall, yes, I do. Um, it's below the 200. I think it's done for today. It's had good volume and stuff. But yeah, I think it's going to come down to this 303 mark here and find support. We'll see what it does tomorrow. But for right now, I think it's gone. Um, this is the one I made a case for on the watch list, guys. I know a lot about gaming. I know I know even more about Nintendo as a company. Guys, this is not going to stay down long. Nintendo, if you got more money and you like dividends, NTDOF is the one you want to do. This 477 one, but this now here is the one I play. It's a little bit cheaper. You can get more shares and it moves pretty good for the price. Is what I'm saying. Both of them move pretty good, but for the price, it moves pretty good. Its normal price is in the high 60s to about the low 80s. And that's where I expect it to be back by, September-ish. Yep. I picked me up some Friday. Roblox. We had some calls in Roblox earlier. We sold them for about $2,000. Yeah, look at this. What are the calls looking like now on this one? Why is it up? They have earnings? Huh. So options on this one for the 20th. We want to go from where it is now to about the hundreds. Oh, I got puts in. I was like, it's not giving us that. Yeah, see, that 100 one's not a bad price. It's actually showing the 90 strike to be the better as far as volume goes. Let's go to, not the 27th. 17th. Yeah, see, that's very bullish. That's more expensive though. Damn, I think more expensive than the one that was further out. Yeah, if I was gonna play this one, I mean, they're just, you know, it would have to be the August 20th ones. I really like that. Oh no, see, the hundred's the higher one. I guess I just missed that. I really like that. 7 to 10. That's not bad.
EPZM, Epizyme getting a downgrade at Morgan Stanley to an underweight and a street low price target of $5. That's Echo Papa Zulu Michael. Shares of Epizyme now down about 10% at $5.83. Echo Papa Zulu Michael.
So that would probably be a good one for puts. Alright, let's run them down one more time, guys. BYSI don't look too bad. We're gonna have to keep that one in mind. Let me write that down. Guys, unfortunately, I have to cut this just a little bit short, but we'll get back on later. I'll do a recap. Check out Twitter. If you enjoy what I gave you today, especially this morning, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and click that bell icon. Also, go over to Twitter at @WTrades and follow us there for the channel. Guys, you have a good one. I'm going to go pick up my son. Bye.